Our 3-pan steam table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 44 inches. A depth of 30.5 inches. And a height of 51 inches with the cover. Coming to the top will be a steel cover for additional storage, and the measurements for the steel cover will include 13.25 inches in depth, by 44.25 inches in length. Minus the cover, we have 33.75 inches tall. The depth of the cutting board will be 8 inches. And the measurements for each panel will include 12.25 inches in length, 20.25 inches in depth, by 8 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 slots to insert your pans. Right below will be 3 separate temperature gauges. On the left hand corner will be the ETL certification along with the electrical specifications for this warmer. Right below is the 110 and 120 voltage plug to operate this steamer. Right below will be a shelf for additional storage. The measurements for the storage area will include 43.5 inches in length, 22.25 inches in depth, by 17.5 inches in height. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.